Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.